Here we go.
Let's go. Let's go. Here we go.
The buzzer sound and now we are ready to begin.
I got life. A real old train. It's still pretty strong.
Yeah, it still holds up to this day.
I mean, this holiday train is still holding their last legs. It's still fighting.
Like I said before, it's still 70 years.
I think we're switching on to the express track.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
We all gonna switch to the express track.
Very soon.
Express.
Ooh, we're gonna race the D.
No, we're not. We're not. Stop that right there.
Let the holiday train go first.
Let the holiday train go first. It has more priority.
They just opened the doors again, so we're probably gonna wait.
Oh crap.
Oh, not really. It's like a mixture of express and local.
Yeah.
It's one of those special trains.
Oh yes, the fat hitters, the R68s. The fat hitters.
I'm trying to record.
He's going first.
Yep, it's going first.
Yep, goodbye fat hitters, R68s.
You gotta go ahead for it. Don't disrespect the R68. Don't disrespect the R68.
Bro, the R68s are great.
I mean, they're
I like
great.
them.
I mean, they're great, but that is their nickname.
Yeah, the hippo is their nickname.
I mean, you're right about it. I mean, you're definitely right about it. I should not disrespect, but this is their nickname. So
It is their nickname by the rail fan community, so might as well still call them hippo.
yeah, still, yeah. The R68A kind of sucks because I have saw byway and byway for the B train. I have saw byway. I saw a mixture of R68A and with mixture with R68s on it.
Now that's just inconsistency right there.
Yeah. But the only advantage about mixing both of them is you would actually have to deal with a different braking systems.
Yeah, because both cars were made by two different companies. One was made by Kawasaki and one was made by Westinghouse.
Westinghouse, which is a French company.
Yes. And Kawasaki, Japanese. All right, we got a yellow signal. That's nice.
I think that means we're out of here.
Yep. Here we go. All right, we're switching on to the express track.
Getting deja vu from August. Getting deja vu.
Whoa, this is like the Polar Express.
I would not disrespect the R160s. Yeah, I would not disrespect them. Because I heard actually, I have heard one YouTuber said that like the R160s are the sin. They're sins. So I would not say they're not sin. They are actually pretty good. They are actually pretty good. Yeah. Like the old Oh yeah, more zombies. Yeah, I know it's much worse, but I like to say, but I like to say more zombies. We are a bunch of zombies in that point.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We about to go express to 34th Street, Herald Square.
And then after that, we're making all stops at every station. I'm getting deja vu from August.
Exactly.
Were you on the Rockaway ride in August?
No, sadly.
That's why I'm getting deja vu. The exact same train, exact same route. You went on the. There was track work. I remember in August they were doing work in the local track. Just took this one.
I just went express. Here we go. All right, it's a straight shot.
That's a little space.
some people are confused now, like, is this a D train or something? Yeah.
It is express.
Yeah.
It says F in the back.
31st Street. Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street. I said Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street. Yeah. Every Christmas year, I think everyone else should do this for every year of Christmas. Basically, get on the holiday train for every Christmas.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not the worst. So, hey,
There are plenty of other holidays around here.
Yeah, like the Redbirds. Remember for 2023?
23 was this one.
Oh, never mind. 2022.
22 was the train of many colors.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Herald Square is also really hot.
Yeah, basically it is.
I went to see the menu from Herald Square. It is hot.
It's time for us to invite the Finnish people to 34th Street and Broadway Lafayette. Basically.
I'm talking about both platforms, Broadway and 670. It's hot on both.
And the fan right there does not do anything. It's useless.
I remember I was waiting for an outbound Q train at Herald Square. It was a sauna there.
Yeah. It's like a Finnish.
It felt like Death Valley.
Yeah, it's like Finnish sauna, basically.
That's what it felt like, though. It was that hot. I know.
not 36, 68.
But hey, but hey, the R68 has a decent AC system. That's a decent.
And it has 4 suspension and 4 plates.
I'm talking about the R68.
I know, but
Yeah, I'm talking about the R68. Not the R40. I'm not talking about that.
Yeah.
Yep.
I never seen a tree this crowded since the kid went down. You were not here last night. You were not here last
We are going. It's F line, so we switch into the F.
Technically the M line. Remember this, right? Remember this, right?
Yeah.
Technically it's the M line.
Yeah, it's the M. Yeah, now it's the M, but in the weekend.
The F we went for now is weekends.
Yeah, so now it's the M. But on Monday it's gonna be at the M. Hopefully this train does not break into like 100 pieces, like 100 pieces, No. 57th Street.
Look, Hunt's is M.
A whole bunch of garbage down there. That was basically
We got the look out on this. If he does, then that wouldn't be good. The Subway sign.
brand new bungalow. It's gorgeous.
You know what it is, right?
Yeah, I think so.
He's the guy that sells pizza.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, that's what I did.
And that would be interesting. How much these pens cost?
Well, these pins cost $5. These ones cost like
Turkish
$1.
guy, died.
That'll be interesting. Then I would buy something.
Luckily, I got $6 out of here.
Yeah, so I will buy something actually. I will buy something.
So that's all fine. The point is, his story
Yeah, go on.
was a boxer who moved to America, and he's like, famous boxer in the 70s, I guess. And his mother was underground gambling.
I'm gonna have basically I'm gonna have a mix of NYCT Subway fans and then some anime fans basically together. I just saw like 35 minutes for the F train.
Oh, come on, do.
Yeah.
Hey, do not disrespect the F.
Well, the F is even wrong. Except the F Express.
Well, yeah, the F is.
No, don't even disrespect that.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Torture test on the building. We woke up at 3:40 because all windows. It's like glass all over our room. We're like, and we're like, oh my god! It's like on the side of a cliff. Like it was very
Oh yeah, open BV by the way. Yeah, someone actually very high quality food train route. No, the high quality like the Q line.
One more stop.
It was on special release.
Are you riding this back
When I
downtown?
went around the route, however, it keeps
The next one at 11 o'clock?
Yep.
I am too.
You know what I have to do actually? I have to compress the texture. Not
It's like